Keurig K-Slim single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker, Multistream technology, black. Multistream technology, extracts full flavor and aroma in every brew. Fits anywhere. Less than 5 inches wide, perfect for small spaces. Multiple cup water reservoir, removable 46 ounces. Reservoir lets you brew up to *4 cups before refilling. Brews multiple cup sizes. Brew in 8, 10, or 12 ounces. Cup at the push of a button. Fast and fresh brewed. Coffee made in minutes. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0. Tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Energy efficient. Auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. Get best price, discount and details about this item. You can click link in description.